Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a really common issue that doesn't get enough attention: drinking coffee when you have gastritis. Coffee is an essential part of many people's daily routines, but can you still enjoy it if you're dealing with stomach inflammation? You might be wondering, can I still drink coffee even with gastritis? It's a question I hear all the time. And today, I'm going to share some insights on whether decaffeinated coffee is a safer choice for those dealing with gastritis. We'll explore how decaf coffee affects your stomach and whether it's a good option for you. What is gastritis? Before we dive into the coffee details, let's first understand what gastritis is. Gastritis refers to the inflammation of the stomach lining, which can be caused by a variety of factors, such as the bacteria, Helicobacter pylori, unhealthy eating habits, or even stress. The common symptoms of gastritis include stomach pain, nausea, and discomfort after eating. Some people may also experience bloating or a feeling of fullness. If you've been dealing with these symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a doctor. Getting timely treatment is important to prevent more serious complications. If left untreated, gastritis can become chronic and cause lasting damage to your stomach. Now, why does this matter for coffee lovers? Well, coffee can make the symptoms of gastritis worse, which is why we need to explore safer alternatives like decaffeinated coffee. Why is coffee a concern for people with gastritis? Coffee contains caffeine, a powerful stimulant that can trigger your stomach to produce more acid, leading to pain and discomfort. On top of that, coffee's acidity can also irritate the stomach lining that's already inflamed. Some studies have shown that caffeine stimulates the production of stomach acid, which can worsen the symptoms of gastritis. When you drink coffee, your body begins to produce more stomach acid. If your stomach lining is already inflamed, this can lead to more intense pain, nausea, or discomfort. That's why doctors usually advise people with gastritis to avoid coffee to minimize irritation and prevent further complications. Decaffeinated coffee, a better option? So if you love coffee but have gastritis, is decaffeinated coffee a better option? Decaffeinated coffee, as the name suggests, is coffee that has had most of its caffeine removed. While decaf coffee contains less caffeine, it still has some acidity, which might still affect people with gastritis. The main benefit of decaf coffee for those with gastritis is that it reduces the stimulation of stomach acid production, which lowers the risk of further irritating your stomach lining compared to regular coffee. However, not all decaf coffees are created equal. Some might still be quite acidic, so choosing the right brand is key. For instance, Arabica coffee is generally considered to be lower in acidity than Robusta, making it a better choice for people with gastritis. Another thing to keep in mind is that the process used to remove caffeine from coffee can involve chemicals, depending on the method. Some people might react to these chemicals, so it's a good idea to opt for organic decaf coffee or coffee that has been decaffeinated using natural methods like water or carbon dioxide. Expert opinions. According to gastroenterologists, drinking decaffeinated coffee might be a better choice, but it's important to listen to your body. Everyone reacts differently to foods and drinks, so if you experience discomfort after drinking decaf, it might not be the best option for you. A recent study showed that reducing caffeine intake can help ease gastritis symptoms, but it's no guarantee that decaf coffee won't cause irritation. So, It's really important to try different options and see what works best for you. And remember, if you experience any discomfort after drinking decaf, don't hesitate to consult with your doctor. Practical tips for drinking decaffeinated coffee with gastritis. If you decide to try decaffeinated coffee, here are a few tips to help protect your stomach. Choose decaf brands with low acidity. Check the coffee's acidity level. Arabica coffee tends to have lower acidity than other types, making it a better choice for gastritis sufferers. Avoid drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee, whether it's caffeinated or decaf, can trigger stomach acid production. If you drink it on an empty stomach, you'll likely feel more discomfort. It's a good idea to eat a light meal before your coffee. Listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort after drinking decaf coffee, stop drinking it. Don't force yourself to continue if it's causing you pain. Try alternative options. If decaf coffee still doesn't work for you, consider trying herbal teas like ginger or peppermint, or warm lemon water. These options are often gentler on your stomach and can be beneficial for digestion. To wrap it up, decaffeinated coffee might be a better option for those with gastritis, but it's crucial to listen to your body and monitor how you feel after drinking it. If you notice any discomfort, it's okay to stop and try other alternatives. Always consult with your doctor to find the best solution for your specific condition. Advice for drinking decaffeinated coffee with gastritis. If you decide to try drinking decaffeinated coffee, here are some tips to make it more comfortable for your stomach. Choose low-acidity coffee. Some decaffeinated coffees are specially processed to reduce acidity. Look for coffees labeled low acid or smooth, as these may cause less irritation to the stomach. Avoid adding spices. Avoid adding sugar, cream, or syrups that can increase acidity and irritation. Opt for black coffee or use lactose-free milk alternatives like almond milk or oat milk. Drink in moderation. Even with decaffeinated coffee, it's important to consume it in moderation. Drinking too much coffee, even decaffeinated, can still stimulate stomach acid production. Limit your intake to 1 or 2 small cups per day. Monitor symptoms. Pay attention to any symptoms you experience after drinking decaffeinated coffee. If you notice your gastritis symptoms worsen, consider reducing or eliminating it from your diet. Consider herbal alternatives. If you find that decaffeinated coffee still doesn't agree with your stomach, you may want to try herbal teas like ginger, chamomile, or peppermint. These are often gentler on the stomach and can help support digestion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related videos every week. And if you have any questions or personal experiences with gastritis and coffee, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's share knowledge and support each other in our journey to better health. Catch you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into health awareness and digestive health.